Hey guys, it's Miss Taylor. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be doing a December plan with me, talking about goals and overall just planning for the new month so that we can have the most successful month possible. I'm actually going to be leaving for Florida to visit my family for Thanksgiving, like literally the day after tomorrow. So I wanted to get this done before I go since I don't actually get back until December 1st. But yeah, I personally love the start of a new month because I feel like it's a really nice reset button where you can check in with your goals, set some new ones, and yeah, I hope this video can inspire you guys to do the same because I think this is a really helpful thing to do if you're really trying to smash your goals next month. So I'm gonna head over to my computer, got some iced coffee, I'm ready to do some planning and organizing. Alright, welcome to my desk. So for the first part of this video, we're actually just going to be getting super organized, starting off by doing a digital declutter because honestly, a cluttered space really is a cluttered mind. And it's so easy to forget about your digital space because it's all like tucked away on your phone or your laptop, but it's just as important as your physical one. So right now I'm gonna go through my phone, delete like extra photos that I just have on there, like maybe like some extra selfies that I took or just like random screenshots that I take like all the time but I never go back and look at them. Okay, I've been sitting here for a hot minute just going through all of my photos. I have so freaking many. I take so many screenshots and just so many double photos. Like, oh my gosh, why do I need 20 shots of the same exact photo? Why? I've been deleting a bunch and I've actually been organizing some of them into an album. So for example, like I created an album called Things I Want to Buy because I take so many screenshots of random things that I see on like Instagram or something that I think I want to buy, but you know I never end up buying them. But you never know, I might come back to it. So I just added them to an album so I can easily find everything. Then I also created an album called Workouts because I always take screenshots of people's workouts and plan on doing them, but then I never like remember to go back and look at them. So yeah, maybe I will if I have them all like organized into a category. It's looking a lot less cluttered though, so we're making progress. Apart from your photos though, do not sleep on the Notes app because I'm looking at this, it's looking a little messy because I write so many random things throughout the day that I want to remember, but some of them are already taken care of, so I can just like delete all these random ones. Wow, I'm finally done with all the decluttering. That took so freaking long, but I'm very happy that I did that. Everything is all cleared out. Now I need to move on to planning. So I'm actually going to go on Google Calendar. That's what I like to use for my planner. I don't even have like a physical one. So yeah, I'm gonna be using that to plan out YouTube content. I like to plan out my content ahead of time so that I can stay as consistent as possible and just like plan ahead for when I need to film and get the video up by. And I especially wanna be prepared for next month because obviously it is Vlogmas. I won't be taking part in like the everyday vlogs or anything, but I will be posting like 2-3 videos a week, so make sure to stay tuned for that. I actually do have some videos planned out, but I need to like make sure that I have enough for the month. Also, I do highly recommend trying out Google Calendar if you like doing things digitally because it literally changed my life and it's made me so much more organized. I keep track of all my events on here, like friend and family events, work events, or you know, just YouTube content, like whatever you want. Easily like move things around, and I have access to it on my phone as well, so even if I'm out and about I can still check my schedule. Okay, I kind of want to show you guys a little example of what I'm doing. So this was the month of September, and in the blue here, these are all of the videos that I posted during that month. And I actually, like the day that I have it on the calendar is the day that I filmed that video. And then I have over here like post new video on Wednesdays. I typically post on Sundays and Wednesdays. Alright, we're on to the last portion of this video where we're going to be setting some goals, and I did move to the floor because I just thought it was a little more cozy. I've been sitting at my desk for way too long. I think it's so important to set some objectives for the month. That way you actually have some goals that you can work towards and get yourself super motivated to crush them. If you don't have anything to work towards, you might find yourself feeling like you're stuck in a rut. So I think this is a very crucial step to do, like at the beginning of every single month. Having goals really helps me stay on track and stay productive. So I wanted to share some of my goals for December with you guys. Okay, so the first one being post 2 to 3 videos a week for Vlogmas. But what's actually also important to think about is what are the actionable steps that you're gonna need to do to get to that goal. So for this one, I'm gonna need to plan content ahead of time, done, but I'm actually gonna also need to film the content, and I also need to plan ahead on what day I'm going to film so I can make sure to get it up in time. It's really nice to break your goals down like that because then they don't seem so intimidating and actually feel like you can actually accomplish them. My second goal is to have 2 gym leg days a week. My booty has been seriously suffering and it really needs a comeback season. I've just been like avoiding the gym and just doing home workouts, but it's definitely been not so good on the booty situation. So I'm trying to get back there, lift some weights. So to make it more specific and achievable, I'm going to mark in my calendar that gym days are Mondays and Wednesdays so that I actually have like a plan. Goal number 3 is that I want to read at least 1 book every 2 weeks. So I probably need to read like at least like 15 to 20 minutes every single day if I want to get the book done within 2 weeks. I'm also finally going to achieve my goal of touching my toes. If you guys have seen some of my previous videos, I did show my progress and I have significantly improved like since I started stretching, but I'm just like this close. So I think I just need like a couple weeks more and I should be there. Another goal of mine is to reduce the time I spend on social media to 3 hours a day. Sad to say that mine has been in the range of like 5 to 7 hours, which is just mind-blowing. Do use it a lot for good purposes, just like posting on my story, talking to you guys and everything, but then there's those hours where I'm just mindlessly scrolling, and you know, it eventually does start to take a toll on my mental health. Like I realize that after I'm on there for like an extended period of time, that's when I start to like question myself and compare myself to other people and start feeling like more insecure. And this isn't specifically Instagram. My phone actually sends me an update like of my screen time every single week, and it's like your screen time was up this much this week or was down a little bit. So overall, I guess just reducing the amount of time that I spend on my phone. It's just like unhealthy to be on your phone that much. It's pretty helpful, honestly. It does open your eyes to see like how much time you're really spending on your phone. So I definitely want to improve that. And then lastly, I want to have like a designated date night every single week. So I do see my boyfriend every single day. Obviously, I live with him. Even though we see each other all the time, sometimes we don't spend like quality time together. So I just think it would be nice to have like a specific day where we put down our phones and just like fully focus on hanging out. And now when I think about it, we've actually been pretty good about it lately, but I still want to do that because I think it'd be nice to have like more specific date nights where they're actually planned, because sometimes we just do like spontaneous things. But yeah, I don't know. It might be a good idea. I think time passes by so quickly, it's scary. So it's just really important to be productive and use your time wisely. And I think planning ahead really helps with that, plus helps you reduce stress in the long run. I hope you guys enjoyed planning and organizing with me. Definitely think about doing that on your own time for yourself as well, because it will seriously make your month go so much better. I hope you have a great Thanksgiving. I'm so thankful for all of you guys and your support. Anyway, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.